Hey, it's Callum and Courtney, and we're here for Classroom of the Month, our very first visit at Coteau Hills Elementary, the brand new school here on South Hill in Moose Jaw. So we're going to go inside to Miss Reeve's grade 3 class, and we're going to have a fun little pizza party. And it's Halloween, so we're going to see all the cool costumes in there as well. It's Classroom of the Month presented by Town & Country Plumbing, Heating, and Electrical with Family Pizza, K+S Potash, Kona Ice, Wrapture Spa Boutique, Ross Park Dental, GATX Rail, and South Hill Bowling. Let's head on in. I am here with Alice, who's dressed up as Super Mario. So, Alice, are you a big Mario fan?
No.
What? So then why did you choose Mario?
Because my mom thought it would be cute.
Okay, so your mom chose your costume this year. So, and obviously you're going trick-or-treating tonight. So which treat are you hoping to find the most of in your trick-or-treat bag?
I want freeze-dried candy.
Okay, a freeze-dried candy. Very interesting. And what's the best area in town to go trick-or-treating?
Where my grandma lives.
Nice. Well, good luck trick-or-treating. Hopefully you find lots of candy and have a safe Halloween.
Okay.
We're joined here with Exodus. Are you excited about Halloween tonight?
Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to?
I don't really celebrate Halloween.
No. But you're celebrating here with us today with pizza, right? What's been your favorite thing about Classroom of the Month?
About the pizza.
The pizza? What kind of pizza did you have?
A cheese.
Was it so good?
Yeah.
Do you want to give a shout out to Family Pizza?
Yeah.
Say thanks, Family Pizza.
Thanks, Melon Pizza.
Awesome. Well, thanks for joining us.
I'm here with Kai. Now, Kai, what are you dressed up as for Halloween?
Canap.
Pardon?
Canap.
One more time. Catnip? Catnap? Catnap. Okay. And why did you want to dress up as a catnap?
It's on Papa Playtime.
All right. And what's your favorite Halloween treat that you're hoping to find in your trick-or-treat bag tonight?
I don't know. I can't remember what it's called.
Well, good luck with your trick-or-treating and hopefully find lots of treats.
Gemma, what are you dressed up as today?
Angel,
Awesome. Why'd you choose Angel?
because I like it.
There you go. Did you see the new movie?
Yes.
Yeah. What was your favorite part about it?
I don't know.
What are you looking forward to tonight when it comes to candy in your trick-or-treat bags?
Swedish fish.
Swedish fish? Has that always been your favorite? Do you walk around and do all your trick-or-treating, or do you have like someone drive you around?
Both.
Both, yeah? So you can warm up and everything?
Sure.
Who are you going trick-or-treating with?
My mom and dad.
Oh, that'll be fun. Well, thanks for joining us here today. What's been your favorite thing so far about Classroom of the Month?
Pizza.
The pizza? What kind of pizza did you have?
Cheese.
Hey, I'm here with Braden as part of our Classroom of the Month. Now, Braden, what are you dressed as for Halloween?
A ninja.
A ninja. Nice. And so obviously you're going to go out trick-or-treating tonight, right?
Yes.
Excellent. And what is that one candy that you're really hoping to find lots of in your trick-or-treating bag?
Starburst.
Good choice. All right. Thank you, Braden.
We're joined here with Alyssa. Alyssa, what are you dressed up as today?
Rumi and K-pop Demon Hunters.
Wow. What is your favorite song by them?
I have 3. How It's Done, Takedown, and Your Idol.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. What are you most looking forward to tonight for Halloween?
Go trick-or-treating with my dad and my sister.
Oh, that'll be a lot of fun. What's your sister dressed up as?
Zoe.
Oh, there you go. Well, hope that you have a great Halloween.
Thank you.
All right. I'm here with Blake. She tells me that she is dressed up as a unicorn. So what made you choose that costume?
Because I like unicorns.
Nice. Good choice. So you're going trick-or-treating tonight, right? Yeah. And what are you hoping to find in your trick-or-treat bag?
A Hershey's cookie and cream bar.
Ooh, good choice. That's like one of the best chocolate bars ever made, hey?
We're joined here with Ellie at Classroom of the Month. You are a cat. Do you have any cats of your own?
No, I used to.
You
though.
used to? Aw, very nice, though. You're just like a cat today. Are you having fun today at Classroom of the Month?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to tonight for Halloween? Just going out trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Who are you going to go trick-or-treating with?
my BFF Eloise and my friend Sadie.
Oh, that'll be fun. What are you hoping to get inside your trick-or-treat bags?
Oh, Henry.
Do you think you're going to get lots of candy? Like, how much candy do you think you're going to get tonight?
I don't know.
Well, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
All right, we're here with Ezra the Eevee. Now, Ezra, why did you want to dress up as Eevee?
Because it's my favorite Pokemon.
Nice, great choice. And obviously you're going trick-or-treating tonight, right?
Yeah.
So is there any strategy to trick-or-treating? Like, are you just going to go around your own neighborhood, or are you going to go somewhere else in town? What's the best place to go trick-or-treating in Moose Jaw?
I don't know.
Well, where are you going to go? Just around your own neighborhood?
No, not just.
You tried it at every single house in Moose Jaw?
Yes.
Nice, that's the way to do it. Well, thank you, Ezra. All right, I'm here with the teacher of the Classroom of the Month, Miss Reeve. Now, Miss Reeve, it's been an absolute blast. It's Halloween. We're doing a pizza party. Everyone's in costume. It's just been a fun day, you know?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's been great.
Absolutely. So, and we have to talk about the new school here, Coteau Hills Elementary. How's it been?
It's been really nice. Yeah, I've been loving this new space, the bright windows. We have a garage door so we can have kids working in the hall throughout the day. It's just been a really fun experience.
And that was the other thing I was going to bring up was the garage door. That's like the coolest thing I've ever seen in a classroom before. Like how does that work?
Well, if it's nice and quiet out in the hall, or if we're doing some reading, I'll open the door up and we have some little nooks in the hallway, and the kids can be reading their books out there. They can be working at the tables out there. So it just kind of extends our learning and our space, and we can work with other classrooms as well, which is great.
Really cool. Now we've got a few prizes for you. Let's start with that. Okay, this here is from our friends at Ross Park Dental. You get a nice little Starbucks gift card and some swag, a little toothbrush in there as well. This is from GATX Rail, a nice little swag bag for you. This is from K+S Potash. And from Wrapture Spawn Boutique, you get a nice little gift card so you can treat yourself to a nice little massage.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, and thanks for having us today.
Thank you. Thanks for coming in.